Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked about how we were going to get a 9-day test this week. Here's your 9-day test. The Bears didn't do it as authoritatively. He tried to say at 5:57 in the morning as they could have. We're battling now still over that 4,400 area. I'm just going to let's just go to the hourly right now. So yesterday they couldn't deal with the 9-day. 9-day shifts up, all of a sudden in the Asian session, bang, it's resistance. And this goes back to a concept that I've taught in the past that, things can be taken out as a function of time versus a function of price. So the price that we're struggling with here continues to be, 4403, 4394, basically 4,400. We get the full test of the 9-day because another day passed, it shifted up, you shedded some older prices, and now you're underneath. That's fine. However you get it done, you get it done. If they can keep it sealed off, and here's your hourly mid-band, which was good resistance here, which needs to continue to be good resistance today. If that can happen, then you can see things widen out a little bit. The daily mid-band is now up at the 4340 area. That would be the next logical area for a bleed out. Now, all that said, the bulls have tended to take advantage of extended day after day after day inability to deal with a particular price. And that's going to apply again to this 4394 to 4404 area. The bulls looked terrible yesterday. Just awful. Awful. Every time they would get back to the pre-FOMC price, which is 4421, they would fumble between there and the opening RTH print, which was 22 and change, and just bring it right back in. They had no answers for the weekly pivot, just like they had no answers for the weekly pivot on Tuesday. So, if you ask me who is behaving better overall, it's Advantage Bears. And because it's Advantage Bears, the Bears need to take advantage. They need to take advantage of what's happening here. You need to close below 4,400 today. Today, no excuses. Close something with 43s on it. You need to start going after the lows back on Thursday and the lows back on Wednesday. If you don't, then you're going to expose yourself to, to a Friday that, are going to see people, cover some shorts, bring stuff, bring it back. He'll probably close it right around weekly pivot. Nothing all that exciting unless you get some piece of news. Now, Powell's yapping again today, this time to the Senate Banking Committee, but it's the same speech as yesterday, so it won't nearly have the impact unless he gets some question with some answer that gets everybody all fired up. One way, up or down, doesn't matter. We're getting into the part of the week now that I talked about yesterday where price is going to be left to its own devices. It's just going to be price and price. And what does price want to do? Right now, it looks like price wants to bleed to the down a little bit. Bears need to keep the pressure on and do that. If they do, look, we have talked forever. What does the mini like to do? Upper band, middle band, lower band. Lower band, middle band, upper band. Upper band, middle band, lower band. So what's next? Middle band. Middle band. They had a good run up there, 5 days at the upper band. Things need to revert to the mean a little bit. And we'll see how that, goes. All right, so numbers. Volume weighted average price comes in 4401. Proprietary moving average 4399. Again, they have got to close below 4,400 today, or they expose themselves. The Bears expose themselves to the upside tomorrow, and into next week. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I'll be back tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.